Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10e against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 855 going up against the Exynos 9820, 6GB of RAM versus 8. Can the Galaxy S10e win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Samsung Galaxy S10e. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Exynos 9820 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Galaxy S10e wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Galaxy S10e wins by 2 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Galaxy S10e won by 3 points. In round 2, the Galaxy S10e won again, and that was by 2 points. As for the price difference, it is about £190 between the two, and you're looking at a very low price, and that's because you can get it for really cheap from websites such as Wonder Mobile and eGlobal Central. Now, which one of these phones should you buy? Well, obviously, if budget is one thing and you want a compact phone, then the Galaxy S10e is the one to go for. But if you have a lot of money to spend and you want a bigger phone, then the Galaxy S10 Plus is the one you should go for. And if you can, go for the Snapdragon model over the Exynos 9820. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Which one of these phones do you have or will you buy? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.